Paul here from Electronics Devices Worldwide Private Limited. So we do induction sealing machines. So I am a area sales manager taking care of South India operations from last 14 years. So we do induction sealing machines, and our machines are used in pharma, food, dairy, and pesticide industries. And it's a very good machines. We have a range of 50 bottles per minute to 400 bottles per minute. And these machines we export to more than 70, 80 countries we export. Many places we have a sales and service available locally there. So it's a quality products, and it's all a CE marked machines, and we have a good service all over we have a presence all over India, as well as this Expo PackPlus. Normally we participate in all Expo of PackPlus show, but this Expo, okay, it's not that great. Felt the footfall is very less.